These wheels and deals. We back at it again with another lit video, you guys. So today we are going to be picking up this. I just need them to put the tail lights back in there for me. So that's the only thing we waiting for. Have them put the tail lights back in there for me and put this side marker lights in there. Other than that, man, we picking this thing up. We're gonna take it to the interior shop. Man, this dude got like, yeah, he didn't overpaint it or whatever. So like, yeah, but with that white, man, but it looks all right. It still looks good. We ain't tripping, man. Hey, they telling me to put some Trues and Vogues on there, some spokes. But I'm like, nah, it gotta go to all the audience, man. Whoever buys it can do that. You know what I mean? I think it look good. It matches pretty good. It don't look too bad or whatever. Not too shabby. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get the interior in there. It's gonna look way different by the end of this video. If y'all guys did not hear me say that in the other video, this chrome right here, so it was painted white halfway through or whatever, right? But they start sanding on it and all that stuff, so it started looking like it wasn't looking too good. You know what I mean? It wasn't looking too good. So they made a decision to paint it, and I'm fine with it. It's cool. You know what I mean? It's cool. It's cool. It's alright. We're gonna take those rims off. I'm starting to like that Monte Carlo back. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. More and more I'm looking at it, and then they telling me, oh yeah, you might want to keep that thing, man. The money you about to be putting in there, you might want to keep it. So I'm like, and he about to get this thing right. I'm already seeing he on it. Cause he said, I'm about to pull it in there. It's 8:55. He's on it. Oh, I didn't even show y'all. Y'all don't even know what I'm talking about. There's 72 Monte Carlos in here. I was already recording short videos, you know what I mean? But yeah, he pulling it in here. He on it, man. So look, he on it. We might have to keep this. Y'all think I should keep it or get rid of it? We putting all this work in it, bringing it back to life. Yeah. That thing. Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, man. Yeah, we about to go ahead. We got them on it. You know, sometimes you just gotta communicate. That's all I'm gonna say. You gotta communicate, and you get stuff done. You get people on your shit. So I'll holler at y'all in a little bit, man. We about to go ahead and get up out of here. I gotta go pick up my trailer, and I gotta get something to eat, and I gotta go pick up the car I bought yesterday at the auction. So yeah, let's get it. We got a long day. So we back up here at Maaco. Got the seats. Oh man, this day we've been waiting for. We want to see how we brought this car back to life. I might have to do a custom video and it's gonna have old footage with new footage, but I want to have it all in one. You know, a collection of how when I got it, and I'll edit it up. It'll be entertaining. It ain't gonna be weak. I'm gonna make it from when I picked it up like this. It ain't gonna be the full vlog. It's gonna be like broken up. Like I'm gonna take pieces from here, pieces from this video, pieces from that video, and put it in one collage and do like from when I got it to, you know, how it is now. So, or to how I got it until I sold it type of video. So I'm gonna start doing that. I might go back in my old collection, like, man, that green hitting over there. Yeah, I'm liking them. Tail lights make it look different when you got it, man. Hey, y'all gotta comment below, man. Pos hitting around. Pos been hitting around about, man, once you take this Corvette, and since you already got the other Chevelle, and I could be riding with you with the other Chevelle, then you can have the Corvette. So y'all gotta comment below which one y'all think I can sell faster or make more money. Which one would be a better seller, the Corvette or this green Chevelle Malibu? I would like to see it around, since I am putting a lot of work in. Possibly want to put the Vogues and, you know, do his little thing to it, man. But Anyways, y'all guys comment below. Let me know, man. I'm running a business at the end of the day, man. I gotta make money and sell. I can't be giving stuff away. And, I done gave him so many cars and helped him out so much, but I got to benefit too at the same time, man. Every time you pour into someone else, man, it takes out of what you got going on, man. I'm trying to. I got other stuff going on. So, but yeah, man. Today's the day we picked this car up, and y'all seen earlier they working on the 72, man. So today's a good day. So if I end up doing that, then I'm gonna keep those rallies off of this car. I'm gonna tell him like I need those rims if he gonna put those on there. So I don't know, it look good. It looked better with all the tape off of it, and the it looked good with all the tape off of it and the lights back in there. Left me a bucket or something I can sit on. Okay. Yeah. Yep. They got them in there for me. So yeah, let me go in there and pay them and get my keys, and then we could be on our way the very next day. Young Lucky is ready to play. So guys, let's figure out how we gonna do this. Oh man, this is some ghetto shit right here. Oh, the struggle is real, y'all. Oh, we're gonna have to roll this window down too. And we're gonna have to wipe it down, clean it up. Set it low on transmission fluid. Drive this thing all the way like this, but I'm trying to be safe and responsible. I got a kid. Hold on, what the hell didn't happen? What the hell? Hold on, y'all got to see this. I can't make this shit up. This thing straight up crooked. I don't know if y'all guys can see that ramp. It's all the way jerky. Someone must have hit it. Hit my ramp. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Whoa. Whew. Made it, y'all. Made it. Made it. Wrong uncut, man. Only picking up something. Now I'm feeling a little more confident with dropping my blue one off. I just don't know what I want to do with it yet. So shout out to my boy SS Sean out there from the Bay. If y'all don't know who he is, look him up, man. He has the Chevelle. He's actually known for his Chevelle. He was on I think he did a show on, was it Hooligans? And well, he's all on social media, man. Just type in SS Sean on YouTube or whatever. You see a lot of his races in his Chevelle. And I think, yeah, he used to have Camaros too, F-body. He's the one who inspired me when we was in high school to even, reason why I love the F-body Camaro SS's so much because of him. But I'll holler at him to get the right fitment of the wheels for my Chevelle could be sitting right. You know what I mean? As far as I'm about to go 20s all the way around, but I'm gonna go 20 by 9 inch in the front and 20 by 11s in the back. So we're gonna go 11s in the back, 20 by 11 in the back, and 20 by 9 in the front. So shout out to him, and then he already gave me the tire size, what tire size to go with. So yeah, shout out to him, man, because I love how his Chevelle sits. I love how his Chevelle sits. So that's kind of what I'm trying to do, you know what I mean? So I want that stance. I want that pro touring, nice stance on some 20s, man. I just want that thing to be squatting down on it. Woo-wee. So guys, we put the carpet in there. Y'all see it, man? Looking real good. You gotta cut your own holes out or whatever. But pretty much, man, walking me through it. Here goes the back piece. It's up there. You got the back seat in there. It's all coming together. Let's get it. So what y'all think, man? It's all coming together. You know what I mean? It's all coming together. It's all coming together. Looking good. I think it looks real good. Back factory. You know what I mean? If I would have went any other color, I would have had to redo everything. And it's only a flipper, it ain't a personal car. So, yep. Next thing we gotta do is change these rims, man. All right, y'all. So we got the interior all the way in there. It's looking real good, looking real nice. Oh man. So yeah, guys, man. Y'all guys want y'all interior done, y'all tap in with your boy. I'm over here at Affordable Upholstery. Holler at Isaac or holler at me, man. I'll link y'all in. Here goes his number right here. So I'll tap in, man. I'm telling you, the best in town, man. He gonna hook you up. He gonna get it done. He ain't gonna bullshit y'all. He ain't gonna play around. He gonna get it done. Y'all seen how he came quick, pulled up to the Maaco and snatched it out and got it done within 2 days. So y'all guys in a rush or whatever and really need someone to get it done and not bullshit, I'm telling y'all, pull up, man. Yep, I think he did a damn good job. It looks so much better.